If you've ever wondered how to take a screenshot in Epic Games on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to capture a screenshot while you're using Epic Games, and the best part is, it only takes a couple of seconds. This is super useful if you want to save a gameplay moment, capture an error message, show a game library page, or keep a record of something on your screen. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PC tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. The quickest method is to use Windows key plus print screen on your keyboard. So, while you're in Epic Games or while the game launcher is open, press the Windows key and the print screen key at the same time. Your screen may dim for a moment, which means the screenshot has been captured successfully. This keyboard shortcut automatically saves the screenshot for you, so you do not need to paste it into another app or manually save it yourself. After taking the screenshot, open File Explorer on your PC. Then go to the Pictures folder, and inside that folder, look for Screenshots. That is where Windows stores the image you just captured. You can open the file from there, rename it, share it, upload it, or edit it in any photo app you like. If you want to take multiple screenshots, just repeat the same keyboard shortcut anytime you need one. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest ways to capture what's on your screen while using Epic Games on Windows. Just remember, this method saves the screenshot to your local PC, so if you're trying to find it later, always check Pictures and then Screenshots first. If for any reason the shortcut does not seem to work, make sure your print screen key is functioning properly and check whether your keyboard uses a function key combination. On some laptops, you may need to press an additional key depending on your keyboard layout. But for most Windows PCs, Windows key plus print screen is the simplest and quickest option. So to recap, open Epic Games, press Windows key plus print screen, then head to Pictures, then Screenshots to find your saved image. That's all there is to it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.